guys, today we're gonna show you guys how to make some Ham Sui Gok, which is like a rice bowl dumpling.
Yeah.
So now we are preparing the filling here. So here we got some chopped up mushrooms, and we got some chopped up carrots, and chopped up onions,
and pork. Sure.
And then here we got some marinated pork. So this marination is just some salt, pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, some cornstarch, and some chicken stock. Yeah, the basic ingredients to marinate. So yeah, we're just gonna cook this up on our pan, and then the filling is should be ready. So
胡椒粉，少少
just mixing
鹽，
this up.
少少鹽，少少糖。
I'll put the list of ingredients that we put into here on the screen here.
咁啊，俾佢去炒勻佢咪係咯。
Okay. We're gonna first fry our pork first. So basically, guys, we're just gonna mix up all our ingredients, and yes, it will be the ingredients for the filling of the rice ball dumpling, Ham Sui Gok. Then we can pour in our onions here. We're gonna make sure the flavors of the onions starts popping out. Give that good onion flavor to the pork. Then we can pour in the rest of our ingredients. We can pour in our mushrooms, and we can put in our carrots. Once it is all done, we can grab a handful of scallions and just throw it inside. And then this should be our filling for the Ham Sui Gok. 仲要加味㗎嘛，係咪啊？ Okay, we'll show you what spices we're going to be putting onto this to make it taste authentic. We'll put two teaspoons of soy sauce. We'll put 1 heaped teaspoon of oyster sauce. Just sprinkle some white pepper here. Perhaps like half a teaspoon of salt. And 1 teaspoon of sugar. Gonna drizzle some Chinese rice wine, Guangdong Mei Jiao. About 2 teaspoons. Also about 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. And we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. And we can just mix it all up, and it should be ready. Once it's ready, we can put in the scallion, and we can also grab a handful of sesame seeds to pour on top. And then this should be our filling for our Ham Sui Gok. Okay, sprinkling our scallions now.
咁咪靚啲，好 colourful 啦。colourful， 食咗啦。
Okay, it's ready, guys.
嗱，啲色水好靚，我哋包生菜包都好靚嘅。我哋包生菜包啊，有呢啲粒粒咧，包生菜包一流嘅。
Alright, guys. Next, we'll show you guys how to make the dough. But let me show you guys. We're gonna sprinkle some sesame seeds on it as well.
咪香啲咯，用少少芝麻一個香啲
Okay, nice. Guys, we're gonna show you how to make the dough for the Ham Sui Gok. So over here we got 130 grams of brown sugar. Over here we got 150 grams of wheat starch. And guys, over here we got 300 grams of glutinous rice flour. Okay guys, so we separated the flour, the flour. So this is the wheat starch. We're gonna be dissolving this with hot water. And here we got the glutinous rice flour. We'll be dissolving this with some warm water. Okay guys, we're first gonna dissolve the brown sugar in the warm water. This is approximately 180 grams of warm water, but we might need more. So we'll look at how the dough forms up. So we're just gonna mix that up first. Okay guys, once the brown sugar has dissolved in the warm water, we can pour that into our glutinous rice flour. We might need more water, more warm water. So glutinous rice flour will be using the warm water, and the wheat starch flour will be using hot water. So yeah, just pour that in and then form up a dough first. Just keep on mixing and form up a dough. Okay guys, as you can see, the dough is forming up. Looking good. Look at that. Okay guys, now we're gonna prepare the wheat starch flour. We're gonna be using hot water.
310.
About 310 grams to start. We might need more. Okay guys, so far we got 300 grams of hot water. We might not be using all of it, so just watch how the dough forms. Just gonna stir that wheat starch flour, as you can see. They're gonna form up a dough mixture. So pour in the hot water slowly, then just form up a dough mixture. Just like that. And then once the dough mixture is ready, then we can mix them up together. Okay guys, so as you can see, it formed into a dough. So we didn't like pour all the water, so just make sure it forms over the dough, and then we can mix it together with the glutinous rice flour. So that white stuff there is the white starch flour, and that brownish color one is the glutinous rice flour mixed with the warm sugary water. Now we're just gonna fold it together. Just fold it together until all the ingredients are mixed nicely together. This might take maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, once your dough is ready, mixed, we got here some pig lard here. We're also gonna add in the lard here. So here's about 60 grams of pig lard. Oh, it's about 150 grams of pig lard here. You're just gonna mix that up with the dough as well.
150
Okay. Now we're gonna mix that lard up with this dough mixture. Mix it up nicely. Okay guys, as you can see, it's almost ready. This dough pastry, we will be covering this with some cling wrap, and after 30 minutes it'll be ready for you guys to make the Ham Sui Gok. Or you can just wrap it up, this dough up in the cling wrap and put it in the fridge overnight, and you can deep fry the next day. But in the next day you also have to knead the dough again. Yeah, and then you can deep fry your Ham Sui Gok. Okay guys, it's ready. We're just gonna cling wrap this and put it in the fridge for overnight, and then we'll deep fry tomorrow. As we're making this recipe, now it's late at night, so we're just gonna cling wrap it, and then we'll show you guys the deep frying part tomorrow. Guys, we are making the Ham Sui Gok now, guys. This has been put in the fridge overnight. Okay, so it has been overnight, so we're just gonna knead it again. And after kneading, we can make the Ham Sui Gok, guys. We don't know if we put it in the fridge overnight, will it still come out good? But we'll find out right now. Alright guys, we're done kneading. We're just gonna use half a piece first. Just gonna knead it a bit.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna roll it up, and then we'll cut it into pieces to make the Ham Sui Gok. Guys, you can also make it into a round shape, as you can see here.
Sesame ball. Sesame.
Also gonna make it like a sesame ball, but with the Ham Sui Gok filling.
Yeah.
咁樣跟落啲芝麻。
咧，你講一個攞芝麻咁炸咯。
Make some
一樣
delicious
啫嘛，
sesame
你中意甜咪落豆沙啦。
Basically, sesame balls, we also use the same formula, the same powders and everything.
Yeah.
Same like Ham Sui Gok.
你話俾聽，你中意咧豆沙。Red bean.
Okay, you can see it's a ball here. Afterwards, we're gonna roll it with that sesame seeds there. Put in that Ham Sui Gok filling inside there. Basically, guys, you can put any filling you like, and yeah, like just make this. Just like that, very easy. Just stuff your filling, roll it back up, and voila. Okay guys, we're gonna roll it up in the sesame seeds. We made some flour water here. Just roll it up. Just roll it up with that flour water and put it into that sesame seeds, and then all the sesame seeds will stick onto the balls, and then we can deep fry these. Just put that sesame seed, roll it up, and it will look something like this, guys. And we can deep fry them, and they'll look so delicious and yummy. Very easy, guys. Hope you give this recipe a try. Okay guys, time to deep fry these. Oil mustn't be too hot, as you can see. Put in our Ham Sui Gok sesame balls in here. We fry them until they're golden crispy, guys. Now keep on moving the oil around and let the oil deep fry the whole sesame Ham Sui Gok evenly. Do this for about 6 to 10 minutes until it's crispy and golden. Okay guys, now you can see it's been like 5 to 6 minutes now. You can see it's starting to turn golden and they look very crispy. Oh wow, very delicious. Can't wait to eat these. Wow, look at that color. Alright, when it's almost ready, then we can plate it. Nice. Okay guys, look at that golden crispiness. It's ready guys. Oh wow, look at how plump they are. Wow, look at that. Guys, give this recipe a try. If you like our recipes, please don't forget to give us a like. Give my mom some credit. The more you like, it'll help us with the algorithm. Thanks guys for watching. Check that out. Wow. Yummy. Look at that beauty.
Chín tươi lóc lóc à, căm ngàn muốn ngốc à.
Yummy. Look at that.
Căm ngàn
You hear
muốn
that
ngốc à.
crispiness?
Yeah, căm ngàn muốn ngốc à.
Wow.
Hey.